Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to combine two lists and array in JavaScript, as well I will be showing you how to remove the duplicate elements that are present inside it. So let's get started. So here I am having array 1 and array 2. These are going to be my two arrays, and this is my array 3, which is basically the combination of both the array 1 and array 2. So I have just used the spread operator over here. So spread operator for array 1 and spread operator for array 2. So this will basically this corresponds to all the elements present in array 1 and this corresponds to all the array elements present in array 2. So our array 3 will obviously be a combination of both of this, but the problem is that here we will be having duplicate values. So let me just now run and show you. So here you can see 1, 2, 3 is getting repeated twice, as you can see here, because here it is present. So now I will show you how to remove the duplicates in it. So for this we will be using the set function, alright. So set is also basically like list. But the good thing with set is that set doesn't allow any duplicates. It only can store unique values. So if we convert this resultant array into a set, we will be able to remove all the duplicate elements in it, because set only has a property of containing unique elements. So what we are going to do is we are just going to cut this spread function, cut it, and it's going to be square bracket new capital S set circular bracket, and within that paste this one. Okay. So it will be like super careful over here. It is set circular bracket and square bracket and then the spread operator of both the arrays. And before new, you need to have 3 dots. Okay. So what is happening here over is that using this particular statement, we will be able to merge both the arrays. But this particular statement will contain duplicate values. And with the help of the set function, we are able to eliminate or neglect all the duplicate values that are present inside this combined combination of both the arrays. And again, we are using this spread operator and we are enclosing within square brackets, because this is now converted to of set type. Okay, we need to convert the set into a list or array again. So that is the reason why we are again spreading the set operator or set function and we are enclosing within square bracket again. So I hope that made sense. So basically we are combining both the arrays to get a resultant list, and then the list is getting converted to a set, and at the end the set is getting converted to a list or array again. So let me just now save and run it, and I hope we will be getting the resultant output now. So here you can see, right, I am not getting the duplicate values. So 1, 2, 3 is not getting repeated twice over here. So this is working perfectly fine. So I hope you would have found this pretty useful. I've also run many other tutorials in React.js, JavaScript, Node.js, MongoDB, MySQL, CRUD, as well as C, C++, Java. So do check other videos of my channel. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.